So I've just released a brand new investing course inside my AI career program, but it's also going to be a separate course that you can follow along. So this course here can pretty much be used for everyone getting into investing. Also, if you're already investing, want to know more about stock investing, stock analysis, we're both going to cover fundamental stock analysis and also technical analysis. I'm going to explain my whole journey, how I'm trading stock, especially tech stocks, because we have a huge advantage when we're analyzing different types of companies. We know the products on a way lower level when we actually have the expertise knowledge, especially within the tech field. So we start all the way from scratch. We talk about what is stocks, what is trading versus investment, why you should get started early on, because again, the most important thing is that we have our money work for us. Everyone can pretty much get started with investing. It doesn't matter how much you can put in every single month. The most important thing is that you actually take some of your income, put it on the sideline, throw it into the market, or start investing in individual stocks. I'm going to teach you everything. What is the benefits? What are some of the advantages, disadvantages with the different strategies and so on. Could just be that you want to put some money aside in the market. Again, the market is going up pretty much all the time, at least if you're taking a look at a longer term horizon, and we should do that when we are investing our money. This is no get rich quick scheme. When we're investing our money, it is for the long run. So every time I buy a stock, a company and so on, I look for investments at least for 3 to 5 years. I want to make more than 10-20% every single year, basically just having compound interest working for me. So the most important thing is to get started early on. It makes a huge difference over your life. If you're getting started in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and so on, we can take a look at a compound interest calculator. You don't really have to put that much money into the market every single month. You can start with like a few bucks, maybe a few $100. If you can just take that, throw it into the market and have that work for you over time, it is going to have a huge, significant impact on your life when you get to your 40s, 50s, and so on. And who doesn't want to have a few extra $100,000s when we get to that point? You don't really have to do much. You just have to take some money, put it into the market. You don't have to trade individual stocks. You don't have to spend hours every single day. You can just take a fixed amount, throw it in there, but we cover all of it. Different aspects could also be that you want to get into stock trading, how you want to time your stock trades, get into the market, how we can research companies. We have real world examples. I go over my investment thesis for Tesla, how we can do the fundamental analysis, real world, going over every single metric that I'm looking at, the products that we understand on a way lower level, technical analysis, how can we time the market, time the trades and so on. We can't get out on the top, we can't get in at the bottom, so we can dollar cost average, but we can still try to upscale and downscale our positions based on how the market is going right now. One of the most important things is that we cover risk profiling. We should be able to sleep at night. We shouldn't invest so much that we can't sleep at night, or at least have too high risk profile. So all of that is taken care of in there. I'm going over all the examples that I've already mentioned. Technical analysis, how we can see if we're in an uptrend, downtrend. When the stocks are falling, how should we act? Should we just follow the same strategy? How are we dealing with the psychology of the market? Because that is also one of the most important things. So the stock market is basically just an exchanging money from the impatient to the patient. Investing is for the long term, but I promise you, you should get started as early as possible. It's only going to have benefit for you. You're going to make way more money over time. It's not going to be in 1 week. It's not going to be in 2 weeks, but you're going to make a ton of money over time. It's going to compound, but you'll also get a ton of knowledge of how does the market work? How does companies work? So you have a pretty good foundation of investing, trading, and so on, and also just how businesses work in general from this course. I hope to see you guys in there. It is definitely cool. If you're interested in taking your AI career to the next level, we also have the program. All my courses, all my future courses will be available in there. We have a cool community, weekly live calls, my own personal help. I'm also posting my trades, my thoughts and so on behind different companies. I don't do any financial advice and so on. It is all what I'm doing. You can use that as inspiration, see if that makes sense for you, and then you can make your own decisions based on that. Hope to see you guys in there or in one of the upcoming videos here on the channel. Until then, happy learning.